Don't worry about a thing. It's every little thing. It's gonna be alright.
Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning.
They're working both of them.
Three little birds. It's by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, "This is my message to you." Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing
Måsarkiken var vekk
gonna be alright.
på fleppen. Eller hva heter det?
Saying, don't worry about a thing,
Jævlig godt.
'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Free.
Got your phone, man.
36.
Flip them.
3336.
I say go take a drive through in the back, man.
Jump back.
Yes, road man. Come, he get the flip. Yeah.
I am so certified. We
Yes.
have the best prices. Those are
we
shapes
going
and
fast.
sizes.
We get them in the back
Finest of
place.
37 category branch. Nobody beat our prices. It's crazy, crazy, crazy.
I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Hercules and his gifts, and Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fists. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list. But she said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss. Just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this. I want something just like this.
Fyr med en facelift nu.
I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, the testaments they told, the moon and its eclipse, and Superman unrolls the suit before he left. I'm not the kind of person that it fits. She said, where'd you wanna go? How much you
Ja. Nå har vi et lite problem. Foringen med stemplene har tatt kveld. Så da vil si at vi må utsette denne seturen en liten veke ekstra. Litt kjedelig når vi var skikkelig klar for å få den der balje på sjøen.
I want something just like this.
Vi er nå i hvert fall på sjøen. Første gang.
Oh, I want something just like this.